My name's Jason Webber, I'm the campaign coordinator for Show Racism the Red Card. We're an educational charity using football and other sports as well, a way to engage with young people and adults also around the topic of racism, trying to create that environment where actually it's not a difficult subject to talk about and it's not sensitive, and giving them that open and free environment to talk about some attitudes, some issues or some things that they might have either personally witnessed themselves or experienced also. We believe that, the young people are our next generation. They're going to be the next mums and dads in this world, and if we can get them critically thinking and analysing some of the things that they're thinking, and just because things have always been done a certain way or that's how it's always been doesn't make to say that it's right. If you meet somebody who might be different to you, who might have a different religion, it's getting to know them and judging them how they are as a person, not by what they believe in or what they look, or because of what somebody else has done who is part of the same religion.
I couldn't believe that the guy that dressed so smartly, he was a terrorist. They might look like that, but it's not actually, so don't judge it.
It obviously will have a huge impact back at school. It's a really nice thing. It was really good the fact that you talked about the different words that you should and shouldn't use on the football pitch, and the chance for them to talk about those words and what they mean, and hopefully it'll have a big impact back at school and the language that they use to each other sort of around school and on the football pitch as well.
Part of our message is having the players come along in the afternoon, being role models, facing some questions from some of the young people who take on the role of media journalists, and some fantastic questions as well, some challenging questions. But the key thing is having those players then that they see out on the pitch, they see on TV, answering them and passing on that message again that it's not only unacceptable in football but outside of that as well.
It's something that can't be ignored, and like I said to one of the questions, it's getting better year on year, so it's just working towards trying to stamp it out, really, isn't it? That's the only way it's going to go, if people learn that it's wrong.
Unfortunately, many teachers don't have the confidence to teach us in the classroom, and don't have enough training to do that. So that's kind of where we fill that void, really, is giving that platform to talk about what can be sensitive subjects, but making it in a fun and interactive way, using football, using role models as a way to try and challenge it, in the hope that when they get older, then these attitudes slowly will die out, and eventually, hopefully, we'll get rid of it.